Once again welcome to Yummy Treats with Yash, and this is my naughty little brother. Today I'll be making some nice fine dessert. I'm going to make steamed caramel custard.
And I'm going to take the toothpick test.
Toothpick test for what?
For the custard.
Who gave you the toothpick? Take the toothpick from him.
No,
You're going to
no.
poke your eyes.
No, I'm careful.
See, that's why he's naughty.
Give the toothpick.
No. Tablespoon.
So now let us prepare the caramel for our custard, for which we need 40 ml of water and 2 tablespoons of sugar.
What do we need?
40 ml water.
And?
2 tablespoons sugar.
Okay.
And here I have one saucepan. The saucepan is already hot. It should come to a boil. The water has come to a boil. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now I am going to stir it. And we'll watch it getting caramelized. Once the sugar comes together and gets thick, I'm going to stop stirring it. Be very careful and please take help of an elder while doing this. You can also close the lid and cook. Friends, please take a thick bottomed pan. At this stage, I'm also going to add some jaggery. Add about 40 ml water. I need a beautiful brown mahogany color. It looks good. Now I'm going to stop stirring it and I'll switch off the flame. It'll start getting crystallized otherwise. At last. I'm going to pour my caramel in this bowl in which I'll be steaming my custard. Perfect. It's very hot, friends. Let's start making a custard, for which I'll be needing 2 eggs. So let's crack the 2 eggs and add it to the bowl. And after that, I'm going to add around 5 to 6 drops of lemon juice. I'm going to add around 5 to 6 drops of lemon juice and I'm going to whisk it. Now I'm going to whisk it. It's whisked nicely. So let me keep this aside. I have 1 bowl of warm milk here. This is full fat milk. Friends, the milk should not be hot, it should be warm.
As it is.
Now I'm going to add the sugar. Let me mix it. Now the milk is cold, so let's add the milk to the egg mixture. Because we don't want the bubbles. All the bubbles are there. Now let me gently pour this to the caramel. We need to be very, very gentle.
What will fall down?
It won't.
Can.
Now let's place it inside the steamer. We need to steam this for 15 minutes. Hope my custard comes out good. I'm making this for the first time, that too in front of the camera. Fingers crossed. It's been 15 minutes. Now it only needs to cool, that's all.
Yeah. Give, I'll do it, come on.
Mama, why are you keeping it near me?
I'm not keeping it.
Let's have to it fall.
Wow. It's perfectly set. It's a
We
little
keep
wobbly.
it fan.
No. Let it cool.
My custard is ready. It's perfectly set. It's wobbly. It has the caramel. I can't wait to taste it. Got fried. It's wonderful. I like the texture and I like the taste. I'm a little disappointed with the caramel part. It was a bit whitish. But the taste is superb. I'm very happy. Hope you like this recipe. See you soon. Bye bye.